Hello everybody. Today we will be learning how easily we can find the square of a particular number and how easily we can find the square root of a particular number. Before proceeding, I would request everybody to subscribe my channel and like it, because if you subscribe or you like, it gives me the motivation to create more videos, to create more contents, and to develop the content in a better way. So I request everybody to subscribe my channel and like it. So let's forward to the course. So square of a number. How easily we can find the square of a number. So here is an example. We need to find the square of 32. So what is the nearest number where the unit digit is 0? It is 30. So write 30 square. Now the difference between 32 and 30 is 2. And here you are reducing 2, that's why the plus sign is there. Then the difference cross 30 plus 32. So and again repeating the process, we have to find out the square of 32. So first, what is the nearest number having the unit digit 0? That is 30 here. So first write down 30 square. Okay. Now as 30 is less than 32 and it is less by 2, so that's why we have to increase, or we have to give plus, then 2, that is the difference between 32 and 30, cross 30, that number plus 32. So 30 square 900, here 2 into 62, 900 plus 124, 1024. Another example, 38 square. So what is the nearest number having unit digit 0? That is 40. Now difference between 38 and 40 is minus 2 actually. So we are writing minus 2 here. Then cross 38 plus 40. So it is coming 1600 minus 2 cross 78, 1600 minus 156. So it is coming 4, 4, 5, sorry, 4, 1. Am I right? 4, 4, 4, 1. That is the answer. Okay, I'm repeating the process again. We need to find out the square of 38. So the nearest number of 38 having the unit digit of 0 is 40. So write 40 square. The difference between 38 and 40 is minus 2. So write minus 2 into 38 and 40. So it's giving 40 square is 1600 minus 2 into 78. that is 1600 minus 156. Now the formula. N is the number for whom we need to find out the square. B is the base number, that is the nearest number having unit digit 0. For 32 it is 30, for 38 it is 40. D is the difference between the number and the base number, that is for this example it is 32 minus 30, that is 2. For this example 38 minus 40, that is minus 2. So to find out the square, what will be the formula? That is the n square, that is the number square, is equal to base square plus n minus b, that is this one minus b, that is 32 minus 30 or 38 minus 40, as we have seen in the example, cross n plus b. So if n is greater than b, then d is coming as positive. If n is less than b, d is coming as negative. Okay, so I hope I make you understand the shortcut process of finding out the square of a number. Let's go to the next slide or next topic. That so right now we will be discussing regarding the square root of a number. How to find out the square root of a number. Now we have to find out the square root of 10404. So first what we have to do, we have to make pair of two digits from left to right, that is 0404 and the remaining number 1. Now in the divisor side we have to put some digit, so that if we multiply that digit with the same digit, like if instead of 1 if there is 8, then we have to put 2, because 2 cross 2 is 4. Here 1, so that's why we are putting 1, so that 1 cross 1 is 1. If it is 10, in that case we will put 3, because 3 cross 3 is 9, which is nearer to 10. Okay, so here it is 1, so we are putting 1 here. So 1 cross 1 is 1, so remaining is 0. Now we bring down 0 4, and as 1 cross 1 we are getting 1, the 1 is here. Okay, now we put 2 here. How we are coming to? It is 1 cross 2. Whatever number we are getting here, we have to double it here. Okay, so we are getting 2. Now we have to put some number here, so that we are getting 2. This one we have to put some number like 1 here, 2 or 3 or 4 or 4, and multiply this whole number with the second number, that is either 1 or 2 or 4. But here in that case, if we put 21 and multiply it 1, we are getting 21. Okay, but 04 is less than 21. So whatever number we put in the second position, that is here, we are not getting a less value than this one. So that's why we have to put a 0 here. And this 10, this number should be multiplied by 2 and put it here. So we are getting 20 here. I just delete all these things. Okay. Now we are getting 20. Now you have to put some number. We are getting 20 and we bring down that number here. So we are getting here 404. Sorry, write it the proper way. 404. Now we have to put some number here so that if we multiply 0 to that number with x, that number, I'm again writing 20 some number x and multiply that number with x. We need to have 404. So what should be the number? This should be this should be 2. Okay, so 202 multiplied by 2, you will get 404. This, so if write down this 2 here. So this is the square root. I hope I make you understand. So we will be discussing some another example so that the formula or division method gets clear to you. Just delete all those things. Deleting all those things. Okay, again we have to find out the square root of 15876. So from first step, what should be the first step? From left to right, we have to make the pair with 2 digits and left the last one as it is. Okay, the first step is clear. Now the second step. Here the number is 1. We have to write down some number 1 so that if we multiply that number, that is, write down here x on any number so that if we multiply x, sorry, x is complicating. Okay, here we have to write down some number y. So if we multiply y with y, we are getting, if we consider this z, we can get z. Okay, so here the number should be 1. We get 1, no reminder is there, so we put 1 here. Okay, now we bring down 58 here. We bring down 58 here and write 1 cross 2, that is double the number here. Now in the second place we have to provide some number, that is 2y, so that if we multiply 2y into y, we get a nearer number to 58. So here what should be the number? That number should be 2. So we get 22 cross 2 equals to 44. Okay, so we write 44 here, and as we are placing 2, we are putting 2 here. Okay, we're getting 2. Okay, now this is, we multiply that here. So 12 multiplied, we are we have to double it, that is 12 will double 24. Okay, now here we have to write some double here, we are doubling here. Okay, no doubt. Just go just go to the back side again. I am saying that is, we double here, we get 24. Now here 58 minus 44, that is 14, and we bring down this 76. Okay, now we have to, sorry, we have to 24, we have to put some number here, so that if we multiply that with that number, we get 1476. Okay, fine. So what should be the number? That is 246 cross 6, while we get 1476. So put that 6 here, we get the square root. Thanks. I hope you understand this example. So we go to the next slide with another example. Here the number is 120409. So first step should be putting two numbers together from left to right. Left to right. Two number, two number, two number. Okay. Now for that particular number, in the divisor side we have to put some number y, so that y cross y is nearer to that 12, tends to 12. So here 3 will be the number, because 3 cross 3 we are getting 9. Okay, so we put 9 here, and the resultant we are putting here. Okay, so we are getting 3, and we are bringing down 40 here. Okay, now here we are, now from 3 we are getting 6 by doubling the this number. Now 304, we have to put some number after 6, that is 6y, so that if we multiply with 6y with y, we are getting, sorry, we are not getting, we are getting a nearer value 304. So what should be the number? That should be 4. So we are getting 23236. Okay, now here we are getting 4, we have to put that number here. Okay, now if we get the difference between these two, we get here 48. Okay, and we bring down that number 09. Okay, we bring down that number 09. So we are here we are getting 4809. Okay, now we have already got 34. We have to multiply it here by 2. We are getting 68. So now we have to give some number here y, that is 68y, so that when we are multiplying it by y, we get equals or nearer to number 809. Here the number is here the number is 7. So if we mul sorry if we multiply 6, 8, 7 with 7, we get 4809. Okay, so let's divide it and we write the number here. So we get the square root of 120409 as 347. Thanks for watching my video, and thanks for understanding what I give the tuition for. Thank you.